Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you on how you can change a loudspeaker on Samsung Galaxy S4. Okay, so let's go. Now the first thing you need is Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and then that is all. That is the main thing here. Open the back cover. When you open the back cover, keep it down. Then put your hand under and open the battery. Okay, open the battery from under. Okay, and then that is it. So now the next thing you need is just to lose these four screws here. You see this? You see these four screws? See the four screws? These are the four screws. So now you're gonna lose the four screws. Okay, so we're losing the first one. So now we are through with losing the screws. Okay, so the next thing I got to do is to open, is to look here. You see there's a space, so just need a plastic sponge. Okay, just put it under here, and pull it up, and that is it. This is the speaker. This is the last speaker is out. Okay, so what you got to do, get the new one, the one you want to use to replace it, and just place it back here, but make sure that you close it properly. Okay, you see, hey, look at it now. You can see it's well closed. You can see it's well closed. Okay, look at it, it's well closed. Then now you got to put back all the four screws. Okay, so got to put back all the four screws back to its place. Okay, I have to put all the four screws and make sure you tighten it properly, but don't over tight it so that it will not break your front. So put back all the four screws. Now we are done putting back the four screws. Then the next thing we got to do is to replace, put back the battery and recover the phone, and then that is it. Okay, so guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click like, and drop your comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.